Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of CAD where we will understand the use of TCIRCLE. So TCIRCLE is really a wonderful command available in ZWCAD by using which we can enclose the existing text. So sometime in our drawings we might be having a requirement where we have text and we may need to enclose that maybe with the help of circle, rectangle or the slot. So we have this tool by using which we can do it very quickly. Let us understand that in ZWCAD. Here you can see that in my drawing, I have this text, these letters on the left side and on the right side, which are already enclosed with circle. So in case if you are going to do it with a normal command like making a circle and then maybe I might have to create copy, right? And then picking from here, then if object snap is on, I might have to turn it off, otherwise it will automatically fetch, right? And in this case what is happening, the circle size will remain constant. So in case if some letter, like right now these are letters, if you have the words, sometimes those are big and small, so you might have to change the size of the circles accordingly, right? Which will consume a lot of time. So TCircle is really a nice command. Let us understand how to use it. You simply need to type T circle. You can see that it is giving you the suggestion from the command line window where I can find T circle is already coming. So you can simply type three letters TCI. It will give you the option, hit enter key. Then it will ask you to select the object. So your object could be like text, MTEXT or attribute definitions. So I'm going to select this text here, then hit enter key. Then it will ask you to specify the distance offset factor. So distance offset factor means the size of the circle or how big you want it, right? So right now I have kept it point 0.1. So with the help of point 0.1 I'm getting these type of circles. Again, this is a variable, like these are variable in size, varying in size depending upon the letter, word or attribute you have. So suppose I'm going to make it 0.15 this time, enter. Then here we have the options, you want circle, slots or rectangle. So let us start with circles. Click on circle and then create circle with constant or variable size. So yes, I need the variable size as per the text or multi-line text or the attribute definitions. Hit enter key for variable and you can see that the circle is automatically resized and all the letters are enclosed. Really a nice command. Let me undo now. Again going for the T circle using TCI, enter, selecting the object again, enter. This time I'm keeping it 0.15 as it is. Hit enter and then let us use the slots. Choose slots, again variable, hit enter key. Now you can see that it will create the slots, right? If the size is big, that you can control always. And the rectangle option is also there where I can use it, TCI, enter, select the objects, enter, and then I can go for the factor. I'm keeping it as it is, and then let us use rectangle this time, variable, enter, and there you go. And you can see all the letters are enclosed with rectangle now. And that's how easy it is to use TCircle and to save a lot of time. I hope that is clear to you. Thank you so much.